Hi everyone, so today we are going to create shorts for YouTube. If you want to create that shorts in Canva, then you have to follow the steps. Before starting this video, I request you all to please subscribe my channel and consider to hit the like button also. So let's jump to the video. So for creating shorts, you have to click on the video icon and then select the dimension 9:16 that is displaying like a mobile video icon. So you have to click on this. So this way you will be having an environment. This is the blank frame, and in this frame you are going to notice that the timing of this frame is 5 seconds. You can extend the timing according to your choice. And now you have to decide that on which topic you want to create shorts. As I'm going to teach you the shorts on any motivational quotation, so for that just click on the element tab and then you have to search for any image. So I'm going to search the element of a girl or a boy or a person. So I'm writing like animation of a girl sitting on the floor. So I like this image, so I'm going to take this one and then I'm going to add the background. So for the background I'm going to write sky background. And here are some options. First you have to set the picture and then set the position of this picture as to back, and then set the image of this girl like this. So like this you can set the image, and now you have to add some text. So for that use T text tab and then write down your text. Now place the text on the right position, and if you want to change the color you can like this. First select the text and then change the color. I am taking the color dark blue. And I'm just setting the text on the right position. I want some dark shade, so I'm again changing the color. I will add some effect also, so I'm going on effect tab and lift. So I have added this, and now I'm going to add animation, and the animation typewriter, this is a beautiful one and that is also looking good. And now I'm going to add audio. So for audio just click on this audio tab and then click on any option. As I'm using the free version, you have already seen that I'm using all the tools as free. So for music I'm going to click on happy, and I'm just trying to find out any free option. So here is one option, this one. So I'm going to check this music by playing on this button, and this is the second option. So I'm going to use the second one. Just drag this file here, and now just test your animation by clicking on this button 9.6. So you can increase or decrease the size of your animation according to your choice. I'm going to set this animation as 8.6, and now it's time to download this animation. So just click on this share button and then click on the download option. It's already suggesting the option MP4 video. Just click on this download button and it's downloading. It will take 2 or 3 minutes and it will come in your download section. So I think this video has cleared some doubt, or this video has added some value in your life. So if you have find this video helpful, just click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want me to create a video on any other topic, just let me know in the comment box. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.